don't do your bucking vocab and we lose the vocab bowl, I kill the dog.
Chihuahua! Thank you, Chihuahua! You're so cute!
Isn't there? What is going on in front of us?
Why are you so afraid of me?
You catch it. Okay, I'll catch it. Alright. Okay, I'll do it. Okay. I'm ready for the game.
It's okay, don't cry.
Thank you. Hey, excuse me. Thank you for coming. Thank you. No, I just want to tell you, thank you for coming. Yeah, thank you.